Welcome to Black Girl Skier. Today we are going to be showing you how to put on a pair of ski boots. So here are our boots. First things first, you want to look at all your clamps. You want to unclamp everything. Alright. Should look something like this when everything's unclamped. Should be about 4 clamps on your boots. What you want to do, you want to take your strap that you have on the tongue of your boot and pull it forward. You might not want to leave your boots in the car overnight because it's going to make the plastic hard and tough. Usually when they're room temperature, a little bit more flexible, easier for you to put your boot in. So what you're going to do, you're going to take that tab on the tongue, pull it. You're going to put your foot in. Okay, you're going to put pressure on the heel. And then you're just going to push your foot down in there. Alright, once you push your foot down in there, you're going to clamp from the bottom. Make sure that you put this flap underneath where you're trying to clamp. Alright, then you want to click your heel. Down here at the bottom, make sure your heel is in the adjusted place all the way to the back. And then you put your inner in the inside of your boot. And then you put the outer portion of your pants on the outside. I'm going to just show you one more time how to do it. Get your boot. Gonna unclamp. Alright, and again, you're going to pull your tab on your tongue. It's going to make it way easier for you to get your foot in. Then you just push your heel in. Right? Remember to put this plastic part behind your clamps. Make sure your heel is all the way to the back. Put that in here to make sure don't get any snow on your boots. And then that is it. That's how you put your boots on. Look, some